with me now in knowing something good for ourselves. There is but one God, one mind, and one power. And this power is flowing through me, with me, and for me. Here today, I put this power to work in my life. And I do that by seeing only good around me. I do this by looking for the blessings of life and affirming them, giving gratitude for them. And as I do this, this power multiplies. My eyes open to the greater expanse of love and compassion of God's goodness in my life. And I can move out into my world confident. I can move out with strength. And I can move out with boldness, knowing that Spirit is with me and for me, and that I have a power guarding me and protecting me, lighting my path. So here today, I am not weak, I am not wounded. I am strong with the power and the love of God. I am strong with the confidence, knowing that that which created the universe is creating my life. And I can celebrate joyfully, and knowing I have this power with me and for me. It's my truth. I celebrate it. I rejoice in this right knowing. And I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, know this final truth with me. Your life, it's not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. This is Reverend Ken. Until we see each other again, many blessings. Okay, my dear friends, I need a favor from you today. And it's not anything that's going to cost you money, and it's really very simple and easy to do. And it might be the blessing that someone is looking for. I just need you to like, to comment, or to share this video. And it's so simple. All you have to do in the comment section is just thank you. It really helps us with the algorithms of the YouTube. It means we get seen by a lot more people. So post a comment. If you have a prayer request or a question, you can post that as well. I'll be sure to answer them. It will help us and it will help the world out greatly. Thank you. You are a blessing to us and to the world. And until we see each other again, God bless us all.